Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and tools. Today, we're diving into the world of microscopy with the AmScope SE306R-PZ forward binocular stereo microscope. If you're in need of precision and clarity for your dissecting needs, this might just be the best dissecting microscope on the market. Let's start by breaking down its key features. The AmScope SE306R-PZ offers 3 magnification powers, 20x, 40x, and 80x. This means you can explore your specimens with incredible detail and clarity. Whether you're examining 3-dimensional objects or slides, this microscope provides versatility with both incident and transmitted lighting options. Need to observe surface details or fine structures? No problem. Want to study slides? It's got you covered. Now, let's talk about build quality. The AmScope SE306R-PZ is constructed with a sturdy all-metal framework, ensuring durability and stability during use. Its forward binocular head and rubber eye guards offer comfort during prolonged viewing sessions. But don't just take my word for it. Users rave about the sharp, clear stereo images it provides. Whether you're a hobbyist, a student, or a professional, this microscope delivers on quality, performance, and value. And the perks don't end there. With included accessories like eyepieces, baseplate, and adjusting wrench, you're all set to start exploring right out of the box. Plus, with a retail value above $650, you're getting premium quality at an affordable price. In conclusion, the AmScope SE306R-PZ forward binocular stereo microscope is a game-changer for anyone in need of precision optics. Whether you're a scientist, a hobbyist, or an educator, this microscope offers unmatched clarity and versatility. So why wait? Elevate your microscopy game today with the AmScope SE306R-PZ. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more reviews on top-notch products like this one. Until next time, happy exploring!